really you want me to do a tutorial for Do Not Delay, so hope you learn from this. Okay. Well, if you don't know, frets are like these little parts that cuts these into like rectangles. So it'll be first fret, second fret, third fret, and the string goes from bottom to up. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just in case you didn't know, so you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, first string you got hit is third fret, sixth string, and third fret, fifth string. And what you gotta do next is open on fourth 2 times, and then you gotta hammer it on second fret, fourth string. And you go down to the third string, second fret. You gotta hammer it after two open um, picking two. And then the next string you gotta hit is the first fret, second string, and then second fret, third string, and then you go from, and then you hit it one more time, the second fret, third string, and then first fret, second string, and then you gotta slide onto third fret, second string, and hit it, and then you gotta slide on fifth. You don't necessarily have to hit it, but you can if you want to. And then you go down to third fret, first string, and then you hit it, and then you go back up to fifth fret, second string, and then you hit it, and then you slide it down to the third fret, and then hit the second string of the third fret, and then you slide down to first fret, second string, and then second fret, third string, and then third fret, fourth string. So put together, you gotta, it sounds like this. Okay. Well, that's like half the verse. So I'll teach you the other half too. Well, you gotta start off by plucking the first first fret, second string, and then second fret, third string, and open 2 times on the open plug on the third string 2 times, and then hammer on second fret, the third string, and then you hit the third string of the second fret one more time, and then you go up on the fourth string, second fret, and hit it, and then open on third, and then you gotta hit the third string 2 times, and then hammer it on the second fret, third string, and then you gotta go up to a fourth string, and then up to the second fret and hit it, and then open on the third, and do that one more time. So put together for that part, it goes like this. And the next part, you gotta hit the fourth string 2 times, open, and then hammer it on the second fret, fourth string, and then open on third string, and then hit the second fret, fourth string, and you go up here, third fret, fifth string, and open on fourth, and then third fret, fifth string again, and open on fifth, and then third fret, fifth string again. And then next part, to end it, you gotta hit the third fret, sixth string, and open on fifth, and then third fret, fifth string, and then open, hammer on the fourth string, and then hammer on the second fret, fourth string, and then open on third string, and hit the the second fret of the fourth string, and go to third fret, fifth string, and then open on fourth, and hit the third fret, fifth string, and then open on fifth string, and third fret, fifth string. So that part, it sounds like this. So put together, it should sound like this. verse.